seas ripping today, folks. I'm at Rocky Harbour, North Atlantic, blowing in here. Grossmore National Park. Look at the sea foam piled up there, just coming up over the lip. Beautiful, beautiful cliffs and whatnot here. And she's a rolling out there. Now I'll try to give you an idea if you can hear me with all this wind. Let me get a visual of what we got out here. 8-footers. I'm trying to see, sometimes they're 10-footers. Yeah, if you can see them rolling out there, I'll see if I can see it. It's gonna mess up the focus. Now you're not gonna see it. Sherry and I came out of Lake Ontario one time after a 30-knot blow for 2 or 3 days and 10-foot seas. Which, yeah, some of these are hitting 10 feet out there, but we had to go 75 miles in this out of Alexandria Bay. And I forget the name of the point there in the lighthouse, and head to Mexico Bay and some stuff like this. The only thing we saw was a 75-foot sailboat and a freighter, a big freighter. It was nasty. Sherry didn't even get seasick. It was so rough she was too scared to get sick. She gets seasick a lot, but it was stuff like this. We were ducking behind islands and stuff on our 26-foot cabin cruiser. It was gnarly. But anyway, I didn't come here to talk about that. But now that I see these, this reminds me of the seas we took off into. Crazy. Yeah. You wonder why I do what I do on the light. Seagulls flying there, hovering. Looking for stuff being blown in here to eat. Some bait getting blown into this beach, this shoreline. Jim out.